Hello everyone, my name is Torun. Once again, welcome to PE Worlds. I came with another set of multiple choice questions and answers from the chapter Training Methods. And this time it is for ISC Physical Education. And I am sure that this set of questions and answers will be helping you a lot for your examination. And you know what? The day by day, the demand of the MCQ questions and answers are rising high as the examination is coming soon. I'm getting a lot of requests from the teachers and the students for making videos on the MCQ questions and answers for both ICSE and ISC physical education. I'm very happy to share one good news with you that very recently I'm going to publish two books. One is for ICSE physical education, another one is ISC physical education, targeting your semester 1 examination. In these books, you will be getting lots of important questions which are much more useful for your examinations. Therefore, I would request you to follow our channel for getting the updates of the publication of the books. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it for more information about physical education. Anyway, without further ado, let's start the video. Multiple choice questions and answers for ISC class 12 physical education. Chapter Training Method. Question number 1. In fact, preparation is a complex process and directly influences the sportsman's development and ensures the necessary degree of readiness for success. This complex system includes sports training, sports competition as a form of preparation, and sports culture, sports environment, sports nutrition, all of the above. The answer is special nutrition. Question number 2. In order to achieve the best results in sports, that is good performance, which among the following are not required? Special rehabilitation treatments and use of supplementary extra training, extra competitions, and means of assessment of performance capacity, special nutrition and psychological factors, inadequate rest and recovery. The answer will be inadequate rest and recovery. Question number 3. According to sports training is the basic form of preparation of sportsmen. Hare, Madhav, Martin, Hardayal Singh. The answer is Madhav. Question number 4. In the intensity of activity remains 90 and 100%. Recovery period may be 3 to 45 minutes. And repetition may be 1 to 6%. Continuous training method, fartlek training method, plyometric training method, repetition training method. The answer is repetition training method. Question number 5. Muscular strength, endurance and agility are required for contact sports like wrestling, judo, kabaddi, etc. Whereas flexibility and muscular strength in gymnastics and diving. In this regard, sports training plays significant role in the improvement of the required level of physical fitness, physical exercise, physical conditioning, all of the above. The answer is physical fitness. Question number 6. Sports training not only helps in learning the sports skills and techniques, but also helps in of various skills of sports, practicing, demonstration, perfection, acquisition. The answer will be perfection. Question number 7. Cross-country race is the best example of continuous training method, fartlek training method, plyometric training method, repetition training method. The answer is continuous training. Question number 8. While sports training helps in the development of fitness components such as strength, flexibility and agility, it reduces the chances of sickness, illness, injury, all of the above. The answer is injury. Question number 9. Sports training is helpful in improving the that reduces the expenditure of calories for good performance in the field of games and sports. Physical structure, postural alignment, digestive system, circulatory system. The answer is postural alignment. Question number 10. The disadvantages of fartlek training are as follows. Except it is difficult to see how hard the trainee is making efforts. Sometimes the athlete is likely to drop effort. It may not cause accidents because it is not pre-planned. An appropriate check on trainees cannot be maintained. The answer is it may not cause accident because it is not pre-planned. Question number 11. Sports training increases which is the capacity of your muscles to resist stretching while in a passive resting state, contributing to physiological function over the entire body. Endurance, coordination, muscle tone, strength. The answer is muscle tone. Question number 12. Dash is a form of training similar to interval training used by runners, swimmers, cyclists and other sports persons. It differs from interval training in the length of the work intervals and the amount of recovery between repetition. Plyometric training method, repetition training method, continuous training method, fartlek training method. The answer is the repetition training method. Question number 13. Sports training is a pedagogical process based on scientific principles aiming at preparing sportsmen for higher performances in sports competition. Defined by Hare, Madhav, Martin, Hardayal Singh. The answer is Hardayal Singh. Question number 14. The repetitions of sports duration at high intensity and with complete recovery are suitable for the improvement of anaerobic capacity, aerobic capacity, both aerobic and anaerobic capacity, none of the above. The answer is anaerobic capacity. Question number 15. Dash improves phosphagen stores and also improves glycolytic process in the body. Continuous training method, fartlek training method, plyometric training method, repetition training method. The answer is repetition training. Question number 16. Dash is one of the best methods for improving endurance. In this method, an exercise is performed for a long duration without any break. Continuous training method, fartlek training method, plyometric training method, repetition training method. The answer is continuous training method. Question number 17. A sports training stimulates the lymphatic system using long deep strokes to help increase the dash and thereby leads to the improvement of sports performance. Removal of waste products, accumulation of waste products, the rate of sweating, rate of respiration. The answer is removal of waste product. Question number 18. In dash, the rate of heartbeat remains in between 140 to 160 beats per minute. The total duration of exercise should not be less than 30 minutes. Continuous training method, fartlek training method, plyometric training method, repetition training method. The answer is continuous training method. Question number 19. Which of the following is not the advantage of continuous training method? It increases glycogen in muscles and liver. It increases the number and size of mitochondria. It also increases the efficiency of heart and lungs. It develops the muscle hypertrophy. The answer is it develops muscle hypertrophy. Question number 20. Dash is very good for aerobic fitness and it is best to elevate the extra fat of the body. Continuous training method, fartlek training method, plyometric training method, repetition training method. The answer is continuous training method. Question number 21. Identify the one which is not the disadvantage of continuous training method. An athlete who performs this training may find it very boring. No doubt it improves aerobic fitness, but it does very little for anaerobic fitness. Sports persons who require sprint and quick burst of speed, such as football, hockey, does not get benefit out of it. It increases the efficiency of heart and lungs. The answer will be it increases the efficiency of heart and lungs. Question number 22. Dash developed fartlek training in 1937. Gösta Holmer, Eugene Sandow, Arthur Saxon, Louis Apollon. The answer is Gösta Holmer. Question number 23. Dash is such a training method that blends continuous training with interval training. Continuous training method, fartlek training method, plyometric training method, repetition training. The answer is B. The answer is fartlek training method. Question number 24. In fartlek training method, the rate of heart rate ranges between dash per minute. The duration of training depends upon the experience of athlete, but most probably it lasts a minimum of 45 minutes. 160 to 180, 120 to 180, 140 to 180, 120 to 140. The answer is 140 to 180. Question number 25. Dash method is based upon effort and recovery principle. Recovery period is given to the athlete after each speedy workout. Recovery period can be adjusted according to the efficiency of athlete. The load can be increased by reducing the recovery period or by increasing the workout. Continuous training, fartlek training, interval training, repetition. The answer is interval training. Question number 26. The advantages of fartlek training are as follows, except it is not rigid but flexible in nature and it is easily adaptable to the athlete. A number of athletes can take part in this training simultaneously. It is difficult to see how hard the training is making efforts. In this training method, no equipment is required, hence it can be organized without any problem. The answer is, it is difficult to see how hard the training is making efforts. Question number 27. Sports training plays a very effective role in improving muscle to fat ratio. In fact, it is beneficial in getting good body composition, coordination, reaction time, agility. The answer is body composition. Question number 28. The famous athletic coach of Finland introduced the interval training method in 1920. Costa Holmer, Anderson, Vikila, Arthur Saxon. The answer is Vikila. Question number 29. In dash method, the importance of rhythm between work and rest was stressed upon and is called as terrace training. Continuous training, fartlek training, interval training, repetition training. The answer is interval training. Question number 30. The advantages of fartlek training are as follows, except it keeps the heart rate up, allowing an athlete to get good cardiovascular endurance. It is good for aerobic and anaerobic fitness. That's why it makes an athlete a better sprinter and a better long distance runner. Due to the sprinting intervals, it makes the body versatile. An appropriate check on trainees cannot be maintained. The answer is, an appropriate check on trainees cannot be maintained. Question number 31. 100 meter race with 80% speed, walking or jogging until his heart rate comes down to 120 to 140 approximately. 100 meter race with 80% speed. The repetition depends upon the experience or capability of an athlete. Recovery period and workouts can be adjusted according to the level of athlete. This is an example of a training plan of 400 meter athlete in dash training method. Continuous training method, fartlek training method, interval training method, repetition training. The answer is interval training.
Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please follow our channel for getting the update about the publication of my books. And please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to like and comment.